Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Kia Sportage satellite navigation system. To begin, power on your vehicle and locate the navigation button or icon on your infotainment screen. Once the system loads, you'll see the main map view. Tap the destination option to start entering where you want to go. You can input an address, a point of interest, or even coordinates. Confirm your selection, and the system will calculate your route. Beyond basic navigation, your Sportage offers advanced features. You can easily search for nearby points of interest like gas stations or restaurants and save your frequent stops as favorites. To tailor your journey, adjust route preferences to avoid tolls, highways, or ferries. For added convenience and safety, use voice commands to control the system, keeping your hands on the wheel and eyes on the road. Staying informed about traffic is crucial for efficient travel. Your Kia Sportage navigation system provides real-time traffic information, helping you avoid congestion and find the fastest route. Regularly updating your navigation maps ensures you have the most current road data and points of interest. If you encounter any minor issues, a simple system restart can often resolve them, getting you back on track quickly. To enhance your navigation experience, explore useful shortcuts for your most frequent destinations, saving you time on daily commutes. Adjusting your screen brightness for different lighting conditions, like bright daylight or nighttime driving, can significantly improve visibility and reduce eye strain. Remember to always drive safely and pay attention to your surroundings. For a smart home upgrade, check out the Echo Dot smart speaker. You can find a link to this and other great deals in the description below. Thanks for watching and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.